Alright, hi everyone. Behind the scene, I always like to know what actually happened. And to anything I decide to do my findings in, I do my best. I invest my time, my strength and everything to it to make sure that the just cause will prevail. We are so adapted with the system of we don't care what really happened. To do findings, even to our security agencies, very many of them are so weak to do the needful. But by the special grace of God, we are still going to continue doing our possible best to every sector and every level to ensure that the right things will be done or put to place at the adequate and right time. Watch this video closely. The video playing on my background, you observe the presence of a reverend father, a priest. I made a video in the morning and I said, my spirit tells me that this man is innocent. Ebukobi is innocent. And I'm not telling you if Ebukobi, as so many people who called me in the morning and said Ebukobi is ingenuine and all that, that is none of my business. My concern is in this particular matter. Governor Ezoku wished to know the exact truth and the simple truth, nothing but the gospel truth. What is a reverend father? What is a priest doing on the background? Look at the reflection of the glass at the lady's back and tell yourself the gospel truth. You see, they gang up. Christians, I pity all of you. I pity you guys so much because over the night I said, now some of the things Ona they do, even devil they surprise for waiting Ona will be Christians they do. No, they fight on ourselves. This priest, where is this reverend father from? He must be an Igbo person. The person is fighting is an Igbo. The devil you should be praying to deal with is calmly watching the both of you, looking at you and laughing. Reverend Father, what are you doing on this background? The police, those at the middle of this investigation, I suggest you do the needful and do it so deep. Do it so deep because so many influences will come in and some things would want to be covered. What is a Reverend Father doing here? He didn't show his face on the background. He didn't show his face, on this video, but he was on the background. Something is fishing and we need to know the gospel truth. Finally, if this man called Ebukobi is innocent, I pray many of you still comes up on the social media to debunk it, because at the end of the day, or to retrieve your words. At the end of the day, a lot, some of us know that we refuse to say or talk. But he that goes to equity must go with clean hands. If his hands are clean on this particular one also, still be bold to apologize to God Almighty, even if shame will not allow you to apologize to this man. My name is Governor Ezoku Odilanyandimo. Ihonye metra, yaburu.